Alright guys, so today we are going to do a crankcase ventilation filter on this Ram here. Should be pretty easy. So they just taken this cover off here. And then there's this guy.
Hey guys.
Set that off right here.
So yeah guys, I get paid $45 an hour to stand here and do absolutely nothing.
Yep.
I'm just basically here to make sure everything runs through. We're already supposed to be done with this.
I thought you were already supposed to be clearing the code.
Ooh, yeah,
Alright guys, so we did have to grab a 1/4" socket with an 8mm and a wobble just to kind of get to those back ones a little bit easier. And actually, wobble's not going to fit. There we go. There we go. There it is. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to spray this down real quick, make sure nothing else gets in there. Okay, so you got an O-ring here, you got 2 O-rings here. See all that oil from the PCV system. And then you can actually see we have gasket back here. You need to make sure this gasket right back here is still all in its track. And then what I do is I just grab some of this oil to lubricate the new O-rings on the new filter, just so that way we have a little bit of lubrication so we're not going in dry. All right. Okay, just like so. And then we can just set this. Make sure I put it there. Okay. Uh-huh. There's always an ambulance here.
That bike sound boosted.
Some of them are.
Okay, buddy. Then ask.
You literally, you said, why did it sound boosted? Because some of them are, you stupid sh**.
Didn't ask. Specific bike sound boosted.
Maybe it was boosted.
Give me a more honest answer. How do we know?
Well, was it a Ninja?
I don't know. I didn't look that hard. The bushes ran away. The sound of adrenaline.
Manslaughter on myself.
I wish Forza would have real noises.
No kidding. Imagine if Forza had the same kind of modability like for cars as Need for Speed.
The game has so much potential, they just don't want to do it.
Real.
It's not an American game.
Forza or Need for Speed?
Need for Speed car.
Forza? Yeah.
The Need for Speed has the street aspect. So I don't know why they don't add all this shit on that.
Ah, that's so unsatisfying. It doesn't click straight. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I've seen videos on. I saw videos on. I was like, oh, it can't be that bad. No, it's that bad. Cuts it like every freaking 4 minutes or less. That's it. Fucking man. Final touch. Spray the engine down with some secret sauce. Get it all nice and cleaned up. See, the engine bay is now a lot cleaner than it was. We just do this as a complimentary service for all of our clients, just to make sure they know that we actually care about their vehicle. So we're all done here. The light's been cleared. We're going to get it back to the customer and move on with our day.